If you were a TikTok user before its ban and you don't like Insta or any other short videos app, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to see how to watch TikTok even in the countries in which it is banned without use of any VPN. This video is completely genuine, you can trust me. There is no clickbait type of stuff. Open Google, search URLE bird, open the first link shown. Here you get all the latest TikTok videos to watch. Its interface is also somewhat like TikTok. It's just a website and you can use it on any device having a working browser. Sorry, but there is no dedicated app for this for the countries in which TikTok is banned. There are tons of YouTube videos and websites telling you how to download TikTok in banned countries, but they all are fake. This is the only and safest way to watch TikTok videos in restricted countries. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.